Hello, now I'm going to prepare a model on the parts of human body. Then I took a piece of chart paper and I was figuring out a boy diagram on the piece of chart paper with the help of pencil like this, and we have to draw the whole figure on the chart paper like this. So the eyes, and then I was figuring out the boundaries of the legs like this slowly with the help of pencil. Then I was drawing each and every organ with the help of pencil. Like suppose I was showing the lips, then I was coloring the whole each and every part with the help of crayon or with the help of marker, whatever you like. And it's look very nice. Then I was coloring now I'm coloring the hair. So we have to color each and every body parts like this. Then I took a scale to label the parts. Then I was labeling the parts like this. So first one is hair. So like this we have to label each and every part all over the human body. Then I took a piece of thermocol sheet. Then the whole diagram looks like this. Then I pasted on the thermocol sheet. I was coloring the whole diagram. Then I took a piece of cardboard paper or cardboard sheet. Then I pasted a color paper on the cardboard sheet. Then I was using Fevicol to stick on that. Then we have to stick or paste in the center of the cardboard sheet so that we can paste each and every organ or the shape around the body. Then I took the body part which I have drawn. Then I was coloring the lips. Now we have to make each and every part like that. Then I'm going to take scissor. With the help of scissor I was cutting the part, the lips. Not only lips, we have to cut each and every part like this. Then I'm going to paste the part on the thermocol sheet again. Then I was cutting the shape or the boundary with the help of cutter. Slowly we have to make the angle like this. So the whole body parts were ready now. Then we have to paste or stick each and every part around the body like this. So it looks very good. So first one is hair or the face. Then with the help of two-sided plaster I was pasting around the body like this. Either you can use Fevicol or you can use any gum also to paste like this. Then we have to set up in an order like this. So the fingers and the whole body parts we have to paste like this. So I prepared this model with a very cheap and low cost. It's very useful for 1st to 5th standard students. They can easily, with more interest, they can easily learn the parts of human body. Then it's only remaining to keep the heading like parts of human body. Then with the help of two-sided plaster I was pasting the heading like parts of human body at the top, exactly at the center. Then the model is getting to be ready. Then this was the TLM model on the parts of the human body. So now I'm going to explain each and every part like this. So this was the heading like parts of human body, we have to keep like this. Then this was the face, and then it comes to the ear, and this was the lips, and this is the part of abdomen at the chest, and these are the fingers or the hand. Then these are the fingers. Then this was the ankle or the part of the leg. Then this was the elbow, the part of the hand. Then it comes to the tongue. This was the tongue. Then these are the teeth. You have to order such a nice way. So then this was the nose. Then these are the eyes. So in this way, if you make this type of TLM model with low cost, then students can grasp clearly with more interest. So it is looking nice. I hope you like this. These are the parts of the human body. So thanks for watching.